I got loads of compliments about this.
The easiest way to get color coordination is if you just make the clothes yourself and use the same fabric. Shut up. Shut up. That's the vibe.
I'm a massive fan of this with this. I don't want to say it, but it has this male manipulator vibe.
So it's a shirt.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This video is actually going to be quite funny because I'm getting a cold, it's raining outside, and we're doing summer outfits. So if I sound sick today, it's because I might be. I'm trying to fight it off though. Anyway, not only do I have some new pieces I need to show you guys because I love them so much, but also I just had TwitchCon and I wore some of my favorite outfits. I feel the need to share them with you guys as well today. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, so number one, TwitchCon day one outfit. This does feature not only a shirt that I've already put in an outfit inspo video before, but also this t-shirt that was in the last one, the spring outfits one. But it's just so cute, and I'm on a blue and green binge. You'll see. I just love the way these two shades go together. Like, are you kidding?
I wore this under this. I did have the first two done up because, where did I put it? I had this bow tie that's, I got it on Etsy. Well, they're not actually headphones, there's nothing in them. They're fake headphones instead of a tie. Because I thought that was really cute. Then because it's me, I have to wear a tie. I thought, well, we should just have this around the little hip. This blue is such a good color match. I wore it with these shorts, which were a little bit creased, but you're gonna be really nice about it. I then had this around my wrist because TwitchCon has wristbands. It's giving Coachella wristbands. You have to like scan it. I don't know why, but walking around outside of the venue with your badge and wristband really gives me the ick. I don't know why. It's giving, hey everyone, I'm a tourist. I'm not from this country. And also they're like neon orange. So having this on my wrist kind of hid the wristband when I wanted it to. I made this watch strap in one of my many DIY accessories videos, I think. Go watch that. So go wear this really cool outfit and show the people how freaking cool it is.
Yeah, I already knew this outfit banged. Wait, that sounds really obnoxious. Like, obviously I've already worn it. It bangs because it's really comfortable and I feel really cool. So that's like the two things I care about, apparently. Yeah, I love these shorts, and tie on the side is a really nice. Come on, I got loads of compliments about this. And you can't even see the logo, so it's like, it might be a brand new t-shirt that I haven't worn 100 times already. These colors look even better on together. This is realistically what I was like. I feel like that's also like, yeah, I'm cool. I don't know if you get this, but this shirt is the type of shirt that when you pull it up to your arms, it's not a full physical like thing to pull them up, but also they stay. It's either one or the other with like every shirt, I swear. But this is like perfect. They don't move, but it doesn't feel like my arms losing blood circulation. Awesome. Thumbs up all around.
Number two is technically my TwitchCon day 3 outfit. I know what you're thinking. TwitchCon only has 2 days. What are you talking about? Well, on the Monday, there's always a football match, like a streamer football match. This is why I wore it. This is low-key. I didn't have enough space in my suitcase to plan a whole third outfit. So it has the shorts and the leg warmers and the tie that I made for that outfit. Go watch it. But this was an unexpected banger. Look at this. The shorts are doing a lot of heavy lifting, but we have these beautiful shorts. This tie as a tie belt. The easiest way to get color coordination is if you just make the clothes yourself and use the same fabric. But then we have this gem that Sixth Dimension ever so kindly sent to me because are you kidding? Blonde green rabbit. Like, is this play about us? This with accessories?
Yeah. Guys, stop. I don't know. Number one, I'm so comfortable. Number two, I don't, but it makes me imagine that I've got really big arm muscles. One can dream. I also forgot to mention that there'll be pictures. It is the perfect fit. Croppedness. It's not crop, but like, do you see what I'm saying? It doesn't make me feel self-conscious. Also, it doesn't hide the accessories I'm putting on my waistband. Also, it like shows off the gigantic pockets in the back that I think are really cool because it's not so long. Stop. Don't. I'm not here to tell you anything. I'm not here for your money. Give me your attention. While I was at TwitchCon, every single person that I spoke to just assumed that I was Twitch partner, and I'm not, and I've never been. I was with my sister. Now, she's off in the real world getting a PhD, and she challenged me if I hit Twitch partner before she finishes her PhD in about a year and a half. She owes me £500. Now, if I lose, guys, I lose shotgun in the car for life. It's serious. I need your help. If even 1% of everyone who watches my videos tuned into a stream, we'd have it in a week. We can do this together. It's a really fun challenge. And I honestly didn't care before, but now I do because it's a contest and I want to win. So help me win. We've got this, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna let you get back to the...
Yeah. Right. Next up, we're in uncharted waters. We've got a new territory. Okay. If you guys know me, if you follow my Twitch, you guys know that I love this brand called Sixth Dimension. It's the same brand as that hoodie I just mentioned, right? This isn't sponsored, okay? I've been following them since like COVID, during like the pandemic. They have a whole section on their website about sustainability, like just honestly checking all of my boxes. And they ever so graciously let me pick out 2 pieces. And this is one of the pieces. I know you're gonna like this. Shut up. Shut up. This is so cute. This is from their artist collection, I think. So they like partnered with a artist who drew this. I just think it's so cute. It's a mesh top, but it's not like see-through, it's double layered. It's not staticky. Again, not paid for opinions. I genuinely just love this top. I really want to try styling it today. I wore it the other day on stream great thing about streaming from, you can't see me from underneath my desk. I was just wearing it with my pajamas. But I want to try actually styling it. Maybe, hey, this is a really good going out top. Going out in the evening to the pub quiz. We might go out, but we don't know. So it's colder jeans. That's the vibe. Let me look at my jeans. I feel like this is already a statement top. Or maybe we could lean into it because it's really cute. So why don't we go with my really cute, like let's double up the cuteness, right? And there's some yellow in this. And obviously I went with the blue because it's very blue. So let's go with that. We've been doing it a lot today, but would you be mad if I said tie belt? Because I think I want to do a tie belt. I never wear this one, but it's the button tie that I made in my upcycling ties video, you know? But it's all the shades of blue. Low-key, that would work as a tie belt. Low-key, shall I just chuck my star bag on? Maybe this is the vibe. This could be it. Go try that on and tell me what you think. Okay, there's only one problem, but I'm in love with this. Because of my binder, it kind of like gathers. But low-key, having it like up a bit, it's kind of fun. See, it does work better across, but I think it's covering the shirt too much. So that's why I was like, oh wow, I'm just so like casual with it. Like, what do you mean? My bag is a gigantic star. I'm a massive fan of this with this. I wish I didn't have that thing. But like maybe on a night out at like a gay club, I'd wear it without a binder and it would be like, for the most part, when I wear tight tops, I'm trying to make it look like, I don't know, when Troye Sivan wears a crop top. Are you wavelength? Yes. The next one, we're gonna shake it up a bit. I want to try styling this cool sweater vest that I've got. I never wear it, which is crazy. I've worn it maybe 3 times. And I know you're thinking sweater vest, summer, what? But I want to see what we can do. Okay, so this is it. I think I've showed you it before. I would have showed you in one of my vintage hauls or something. It's very sporty. It's giving sporty spice. Again, with the blue and green. Realistically, if I had a small green top underneath this would be really nice. But I don't have one. I mean, I don't have blue either. So let's go with white. Okay, I have this, but it's red, but I guess you wouldn't really see it. But I just have a feeling that see, are you walking with me? So, and blue. Okay, so let's do the blue jorts. What can we do about accessories? Because should we just do like carabiner keys? Go put them on and we'll see what we can do. Maybe this does just work as like a really casual, low-key outfit. Oh God, I'm really full of myself today. It kind of just has aura. Maybe it doesn't need crazy accessories. I don't know. It has this like, I don't want to say it, but it has this male manipulator vibe. So maybe it's like fun. It's very casual. It's like, I'm going to the beach. It's not too serious. This next one, we have the final new piece provided by the gorgeous Sixth Dimension. Look at this top and tell me it's not the most me thing ever. So it's a shirt and it has a spiral and it's about being dizzy. I literally have an OC that has so many different artworks of them having spirals for eyes because they have motion sickness and they get dizzy. I love that. I do really like the crop of it. I think I want to do shorts, but I'm not sure yet. This is really cute. Yeah, I want to wear a tie. Okay, so I have this purple. I want a pink. I have this though, which could work. That could be cute. It's really jarring a bit. No. This blue? No. Oh my God, that's really funny. It's the exact same pair of shorts. I honestly can't tell. I think I'm gonna try both and see what I think is better. Stay tuned to find out which one. I'm kind of obsessed with this because it's relatively simple and straightforward. And I've gone with the black shorts. Do you see? Obsessed with this being a skinny tie. I completely forgot. Only gripe with this outfit is this shirt. You hear that? So it's not like a cotton shirt. It's like an office shirt material like this one. It's not a bad texture on my skin. Like autistically, it's not bad. It's just the sound, but it's fine. Yeah, I added leg warmers. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I feel like it's a very versatile and very fun outfit. This shirt is carrying, but big fan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. Tell me what your favorite outfit was. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. It's really fun over there. Please come hang out. Really cool stuff happening on this channel very soon. You're gonna want to turn notifications on. It's gonna get really sick. Trust me, big things. It's gonna be a really cool next few months. Peace. Bye!